Silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku. Kwisila muvia wa itheka niyaumya Ukanyo muvyu kwa andu ala meutwaiisya myako, matena mavalua ala mailite kuma muvia uwa ukamba wa Mavoko. Nimekwosewa makwatikana mayuasewa Matambya maima Miao yivo kuomboangwa myako isu. Ukanyo nikuma kula minister muviani wa itheka silikalini ya kaunti ya Masaku Nathaniel Nganga ivindani yila wakusiiwa kuombowa kwa mwako umwe ula wakitwe kithekani cha Silikali ukamba wa Mavoko kauntini ya Masaku. Livo chumba netu niwe Dan Mwongela.
Aine na ivindani na watongoesizo ya kuombowa kwa ukutola wakitwe kithekani kimwe cha Silikali cha eka mbewa miongo thanthatu kila kikisione cha kwa mulinge mulolongo ukamba wa River. Minister muviani wa itheka Silikalini ya kaunti ya Masaku Nathaniel Nganga ni waelesekana Silikalini ya kaunti ya Masaku ndisa kuetekelia andu make myako ya kutwaiisya biashara ithekani cia Silikali.
Tuko hapa ku enforce hiyo notice ya demolition. We understand Mavoko has been a scene of crime when it comes to public land and land issues. We will have to straighten this matter up. I want to give a warning to all developers that are developing without approvals from the land department.
Ingi ministo wa muvia wa itheka Silikalini ya Masaku ni wathingilila kana nongina alamenda kwa kamyako kivathukanio ya biashara kauntini ya Masaku Matatiie Miao ila yikitwe nikenda kukwata mavalua ala mailite kuma muviani wa itheka Silikalini ya kaunti ya Masaku.
Those that are using forged documents to do development on their properties, and those that are forging documents to develop land within Machakos County. This is a warning to all of you. We are coming for you. Nobody is allowed to undertake any development without approval from our office. Letters to be signed and issued from our office. For those that are forging documents, tutapatana na nyinyi kwa ground. Sio sisi ati tunakaa kwa office. We are here to defend the people of Machakos and the county government of Machakos to ensure that the rule of law is followed. If you come and invest in Machakos without following the due procedure, then you will expect us to meet you on the ground. And it will be painful, like you can just see. Before you do any of your development, make sure you get authentic documents, authentic approvals from the department. We will not condone this kangaroo business any other day.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutongwe TV, kumuva kwa mulinge mulolongo kauntini ya Masaku.